Ramon Dibagatsin, PCSO Cup Division 2. All set now, ready to race. Race number 2 here. Sadalang Clubs, Leisure Park, Nai, Cavite. And the race is on. Friends Forever, fast to begin, rising up all X's and on the outside, Miss Bling Bling. Pirimaki, racing in fifth, Kitty West 6, Conquistador. Rising up, Shoemaker, Danori inside, it's Mama Don't Preach. As they round for the first turn, all X's by Alencana, followed by Miss Bling Bling. Federal Mama Don't Preach. Shoemaker joining them is Maki in between runners by Launlaan. Racing on the outside is Dear Jan. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Miss Bing Bing Shoemaker, Dear Jan joining them in between runners. Kitty West, Mama Don't Preach is running in fifth by 6. All X's Launlaan is Maki racing 8 position. 9 belongs to Conquistador, 10 Flying G, and 3 number 7 Whistler, third last, second last Action Seller, while Friends for Never is now running at the tail of the field and rounding the far turn. Shoemaker by Alencana, Miss Bling Bling coming back on the outside, Mama Don't Preach, Danori inside, Dear John racing in port is Maki also rushing up by the all X's as they race the final corner. Mama Don't Preach running by the Miss Bling Bling moves up to grab the lead. Miss Bling Bling, Mama Don't Preach, Danori inside, Shoemaker, Alexis, Maki, Whistler, Conquistador. Miss Bling Bling, Mama Don't Preach, Whistler, Danori inside, and nearing the finish line. Race 2 belongs to Miss Bling Bling, Mama Don't Preach, Whistler, Shoemaker, Alexis. Ventafecta.